But if you don't have a place to escape the heat, there's still some things you can do to stay cool. Tyler Ash with Eau Claire County Emergency Management says he and the health department are still suggesting that folks don't congregate at stores or public buildings, but take a quick loop around the shop while social distancing is a good option. Ash suggests taking advantage of the county's lakes and rivers to cool off. He also says to take steps to prevent heat-related illnesses.
Make sure that you're not in direct sunlight and you're staying hydrated. Drink lots of water, lots of Gatorade type drinks as well. Avoid some of the sugary drinks.
Ash adds that for those experiencing homelessness, the Hobbs Ice Arena is still open for guests to stay and escape the high temps.